Hey guys, I'm Jamie.
I'm Bodie.
And this is J&B Outdoor Adventures, and we're doing another box opening today, or unboxing today. And today we have two boxes from
Lucky Tackle Box.
Lucky Tackle Box. This is the Catfishmas box 2017, and this is an older box, the Bass box. This is September of 2016. It was on sale. Figured we'd give it a shot.
And this one's bigger than that one, so this one maybe has more stuff.
Maybe. We don't know. We'll find out. So, ready to get started?
Yeah.
All right, let's go. Let's start with the Catfishmas box. Bodie, go ahead, jump in there, pull something out, and let's see what we got.
First, you get this like sticker. I want it on my tackle box, but that won't let me.
You might get this one, I don't know. So, Lucky Tackle Box sticker. Go ahead.
No, don't say that's blood on that because it isn't.
All right, so first up we got Team Catfish Furry Things 3/0 hooks. So these are hooks with like some kind of crazy.
Those are like the weirdest things I
don't know what you even call them, but
they're like
they're for holding bait, you know, scent and stuff for your catfish. So we got those, and those were $3.50 for those.
$3.59. Wait, $3. Okay, I don't know.
Okay, so we did open this box earlier, and we found that this had actually leaked a little bit, probably from the cold weather and stuff. But this is Dead Red Blood Spray. Spray on any baits and lures. So there's a shot of that.
If you go watch some more of our box opening, we maybe talked about this on the Little Mouse. If you go check out that.
Yeah, Bodie wants to put this on the wrap from our first video. He thinks maybe it'll help him out. But this is $6 for the Dead Red Blood Spray.
Cause it will.
What's next?
Don't these rattle in the dark?
Yeah, these rattle. So these are Catfish Versa Rattles. It says add noise and vibration to any catfish rig you use. Works for all species and sizes of catfish. So I don't know, never used them, but we'll try them out, see what happens. So these are $4.95 for those.
Next up, we have these bobbers that glow up in the dark, so you can see if you have a fish in the dark.
They're not bobbers, actually. These go on the end of your pole, so you can see the end of your rod tip when you're fishing. They light up. So that's what those are. These are Whisker Seeker Tackle Night Sticks, LED powered rod tips, and these are $6.95 for those.
Next up, we have, I think these are actually different size hooks. They kind of look like that.
Yeah, these are called circle hooks. These things are mean. Let me show you. I'm going to take one of these out. Mustad hooks, so you know they're sharp. They're going to do, no, hold on, buddy. Let me get it out. Look at the hook on that thing. I don't know if you can see it. Can you see that? That is terrifying. But that'll hook, that'll hook a catfish like that.
It kind of looks like it would hook a shark, but it's not big enough.
Maybe. But anyway, you got a pack of those. They are 6/0, and there's 7 of them. So 7 of them. You get a good pack in there. Be careful, buddy. No. All right. And these, the Mustad big gun hooks are $5 for a pack of 7.
$5, no cents.
No cents. $5.
Next up, we have these. I think these are hooks.
Yep, these are weedless, or I'm sorry, these are not weedless, these are bait savers. So, from Bait Saver Hooks, 3/0. They help, sorry, Bodie's over here sounding some things out, so hold on. These J hooks, let's see, the Bait Savers, $4. And you get 2 of those.
Oh no.
Are you ready?
We got the hooks.
Mustad hooks.
Big hooks. Like kind of like these ones.
Okay, so I got
think
these.
They are.
No, I got these confused. These are the circle hooks that we showed you earlier, and these are $7. But these are Mustad 4/0 big gun catfish hooks, and these are where is it? Oh, $4.99 for those. Anything else in there?
No, sir. All we have is a little bit of blood from that, and all we have is paper.
Okay.
And a
So
box.
go ahead and put all that away, and let's see. We paid. I added all this up earlier. So
Like 5 minutes ago.
yep. So everything in here, we paid $24.99 for this box.
$24.99.
We paid for this box. Retail, everything in there, you're looking at $37. So that's a pretty good deal. I think, what was it, 25 and 37, so you got, $12 extra in here, so that's pretty good, I think. You think?
Yeah.
I mean, that's $12 we didn't pay for that stuff, but we got it, right?
When we're not done with the video, we're still doing this bigger one.
Yep. So that was the LTB Catfishmas box.
Lucky box. I actually like these.
So now we're going
I
on
wish I was
Lucky Tackle box. This is the basic bass box from September of 2016. It was on sale for $12.99. $12.99. So let's see what we got in there, bud.
I'm like spinning around so they can see the whole box. Okay. First up, you get the book. Even on the mouse one, we got a book, and I already see what we got in here.
Some of it, yep. Do you want to show everybody, or you just want to look at it? There you go. So you get your book. You get the book every time. It just tells you what's in your box.
On the red one, we
this
didn't
week.
get the book.
You're right. We did not on the catfish box. But.
So maybe on a couple.
All right. So we'll grab something out of there and let's see what we got.
I'm kind of what I'm looking for.
Just one thing, buddy.
We're losing something was supposed to be in here. That little stick.
No, there's no little stick in there, bud. Okay, so first up, we got the Lunker Hunt hatch spin. So 1 ounce weighted lure. Comes ready to go. You just cast it and go. Prism, buddy. Okay, so that's a pretty cool little bait. Let's see. It says in here what the value is. Usually they come with a card, and I'll tell you, but this is $7 lure right there. $7 for that. What's next, buddy?
We got these big worms, but if your parents want you to take these out, be like careful because they are wet. So
Yep.
I maybe wouldn't want to take them out.
Okay. So yeah, well they're wet because they're scented. These are
You can only
Iowa
take
worms, stick worms, 4.8 inches.
You didn't do that one yet.
Yeah, I did. Prism worm, 5 of them, $6 for that. Let's see what they smell like.
Oh yeah.
All right. See.
Put a comment down below.
Smell like wet rubber.
Put a comment
What are
down.
you doing?
Put a
I hope they don't stink too bad because now you got it all over you.
oh,
Yeah.
they don't.
Don't wipe it on you, dude.
Put a comment down below if you got some Lucky Tackle boxes we have. Put a comment down below.
Okay, what's next?
This big sticker.
Okay, yeah, you always get a sticker in your box, so there you go.
I mean, we already said that on the red one, but we'll say that on every video. So, I think these are actually scented, guys.
These are Lake Lunkers Floppin' Frogs.
I mean, I don't think they're scented. Wait,
Well,
yeah,
I
they
don't
are.
know, well, let's see.
Yeah, scented. Yeah, they're scented.
They don't say scented. I don't see scented anywhere. We'll see.
I think my shoe came off.
Nope, just rubber.
Rubber.
Just a rubber frog. A flopping frog, so.
Put a comment down below if you just got like one of these stuff. Just not the tackle box.
Okay, so these are $4 for this pack. That's a 6-pack. What's next? All right, the zero gravity jig. This thing looks cool. This thing looks cool. I like the looks of that. With a slow rate of fall, only 1 foot every 3 seconds. That's a really slow falling jig. That is pretty neat. Let's see. Zero gravity jig. It's a $5 jig, but I like the look of that. That looks pretty cool. I like it.
Next up,
What's
we have
next?
these humongous hooks. They'll maybe catch some sharks.
Humongous hooks. These are 4/0 big mouth hooks from Mustad, and these are $5. With you get a couple barrel swivels in there with them. So all good stuff. So let's see. I added all this up before, and it comes out to a $27 box for all this stuff. And like I said, we only paid $12.99 for it. So that's pretty good. We paid about half the price of what the box is worth. Anything?
I mean,
Is that pretty good?
yeah.
You good with that?
Yeah.
So we can take it out of your allowance next time?
No!
Any-
Don't let him take away my $200.
You're crazy. Anyway, so I'm Jamie,
I'm Bodie.
and this is J&B Outdoor Adventures, and thanks for stopping by.
Put a comment down below if you like this video.
There you go. Bye, guys.
Bye.